We working on the skid loader. Look at these gears all up in here. Look at how nasty that oil is.
What's your hand?
Oh yeah. She's crawling now. That's how you check to make sure everything's good. What's up in that hole? Oh, there we go. Gears all up in there. That's sealed. Goes all the way to the other side. We're cleaning all this concrete that's built up on here. They got concrete built up on this side. They got another thing on this side to take off and check the gears out, check the chains out, check the fluid out. This is where you fill it. This is where you stop. You take this one out when this one's full. It tells you that's where you fill, your full mark is. Look how much buildup on here. SR175 case. Took this whole thing apart, spray painted it, cleaned it all up. So much build up and concrete down all up in there. Got all this fixed up. Got some lights on here. We gotta replace this light over here. Gotta get a new one for it. We're gonna have to get some new bushings for up here. The welds keep breaking all around here. More welds breaking right here. We're gonna have to re-weld this.
Okay, I guess we'll
This one over here is breaking. Look at that break. Look at this break all the way around here. We're gonna have to fix that.
I'm gonna put it back.
The hoses are a little bit ate up. Look how much concrete buildups on here. You gotta fix it. Clean it up, grease it up. First time's probably ever been greased up.
I don't think that's hydraulic oil, bro.
You think it's gear oil?
Yeah, because the hydraulic tank is on this side.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that could be. We just need to get that manual. We just need to get the manual and make sure that's right.
Yeah, I'm gonna seal
But
this
it definitely looks not good. Definitely looks old.
Oh yeah, of course. I bet you nobody's fucking changed it since they made this shit.
No, they probably just left it on there, all good.
Yeah, I don't wanna. I'm gonna close it, and then when I'm finished and everything, when I finish cleaning everything, we'll drain it.
And with the level like right there, they shouldn't even need no gasket maker around that because it's not even that high. You know, it's not even that high to leak out or anything. And the chains is just going through the oil, so it's just lubing the chains every single time they go through the oil, so they stay good. They never seize up. They're good 100% unless something happens. That distribute time we was taking the oil out, it had rocks in the bottom of it.
Rocks?
Yeah, I was cleaning out some of the hydraulic fluid.
Yeah.
You should have seen how bad it was. I don't know how it got it had to be concrete, you know.
Of course.
It probably was rocks too, but it was so old and so bad.
Alright, I'm gonna put this back. Now we know what's behind it.
Yeah. Yeah, all these gears, they look good. Just need to clean that off.
This was the front, huh?
Yes, this is the front. That's the back.
No, I mean, yeah, my bad. But this was the top. Because you
Yes.
got all these seats.
We was beating it up on the top.
Beat it up. I'm still gonna put gasket maker.
More gasket maker?
Well, not,
That's probably what made it hard to come off. You know that chain can't be going fast in there. It's going as slow as you go. Unless you're going full speed, I mean that oil's barely going anywhere. It's just staying on the chain. Case Construction. Alright, peace out.